Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Well, if you have interested, please be with me and subscribe our channel, like our channel and share the videos with your friends and family member. Now move on the lecture number 12, simple future tense. But before that, I will show you this book, Essential English Grammar. I already told you this book is very nice book, just a basic book. If you have any query about this book, please write down in comment box. This book is very nice. It's Cambridge publication, Cambridge University Press. Now move on the lecture today's. Unit number 29. Because of you understand the basic grammar. I already told you it's a basic thing, but it's very paramount information. But if you don't or if you ignore this basic thing, you can don't you cannot speak proper English, because grammar is very essential part. So 28 will say you probability know this simple future tense, but I think someone who don't know about some basic things. That basic thing I tell you in this lecture. So should I start? Let's go for lecture. Will is used for future tense. Will is used for future tense. Now you see the example, positive, negative and question marks. You know the structure. This is now you for piece of cake, just a piece of cake for you. But we use will for future. Tomorrow, next week, tomorrow, next week, next, or in the future we will use will. I want to be here tomorrow. I will not be here. I will not be here. I will not be here tomorrow. I think Dina will pass the exam. दीना एग्जाम में पास हो जाएगी. I don't think it will rain this afternoon. Just a basic thing, but if you know the structure is very easy. I am not working tomorrow. I won't work. Shall I? Shall we? I shall be late tomorrow. If we use a shall with I and we, but we do not use shall with you. We do not use shall with you, they, he, she, it. Tom will be late. Tom shall be late. Not make a mistake if you I use shall with we and I. We shall, I shall. Don't use be serious about that, you, they, he, she, it. Tom shall be, Tom will be. This is a basic book, so you can do exercise unit number 28. Now move on the unit number 29. It's a basic thing. I don't waste your time. I will, when you offer or decide to, my bag is very heavy, I will carry it for you. विल जो है वहाँ इस्तेमाल होता है जब आप ऑफ़र करते हो किसी को, या मैं आपका ये काम कर लूँ या कर दूँ. आई विल फोन यू टुमारो. ओके, गुड बाय. I don't use present simple. I go home. I home. I will phone you tomorrow. Don't be tell I phone you or I call you. I will phone you. I will call you tomorrow. I think I will go to bed early. I not use I go to bed. It's a basic thing. You can see that. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Don't use I will for something you decide before. यानी आपने अगर कहीं जाने का इरादा किया है, यानी कल मैं जाऊंगा सिनेमा में या कल मैं जाऊंगा सुपरमार्केट में. आई एम गोइंग टू वॉच इट. आई एम गोइंग टू सुपरमार्केट. आई एम गोइंग टू सुपरमार्केट टुमारो. आई एम गोइंग टू सिनेमा टुमारो. आई एम गोइंग टू इस्तेमाल करें, विल को ना इस्तेमाल करे. आई विल वर्क वो ना करे. डू नॉट यूज़ आई विल फॉर समथिंग. आपने जो डिसाइड किया हुआ ना उसके लिए सेल के साथ आई लग सकता है, वी के साथ सेल लग सकता है. सेल आई आंसर द फोन. नो इट्स ओके आई विल आंसर यू. सो सेल आई ओपन द विंडो. Shall we go for a walk? It's easy. Where? What are you doing tomorrow? I am going to इस्तेमाल करे. देखिए अगर आपके पास ये बुक है तो आपके लिए तो कोई मसला नहीं. If you don't have this book, you purchase it or any other book. I don't. Because of this book is very basic and this book is very essential. That's why it's called essential English grammar. Importance आपको जो दिखा रहा है नाम ही दिखा रहा है इसका. So now move on the our notebook. Just see structure and go to the home. Simple future tense. You will win the match. You will win the match. Will future simple subject verb object. I will see you later. He will be there soon. Will you wait for me? Will you wait for me? This is a question mark. We will see better days. You will win the match. Now a future simple tense represents an action that has not yet happened. वो चीज़ों को प्रेजेंट करता है, अभी जो काम हुआ नहीं उसको वो क्या करता है, प्रेजेंट करता है. आई सेल प्ले. आई सेल नॉट पे. सेल आई प्ले. ही विल प्ले. आई सेल प्ले. सेल आई प्ले. आई सेल नॉट प्ले. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन. इट्स इजी. नाउ मूव ऑन दी सेंटेंस ऑफ सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. ये देख ले. इस I will read the newspaper when I go to bus station. I will read the newspaper when I go to the bus station. It's easy. I will be here in 2 hours. 2 hours. Tomorrow the sun will rise at 6 a.m. Will you come to the party? Question mark. This question is now for a piece of cake. I am going to cook tonight. Just notes. When will you travel? When will you travel? I will come. I will come. पॉजिटिव है. आई विल नॉट कम नेगेटिव है. विल आई कम. अभी यहाँ ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी प्लीज राइट डाउन इन कमेंट बॉक्स, अदरवाइज यू विल लूज योर स्कोर. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर. आई सी द स्ट्रक्चर. प्लीज डोंट लेफ्ट वीडियो इन बिटवीन going up to end, otherwise you don't understand anything. In this video is very precious information I will show you. So now simple future tense structure. Future tense subject will or verb, first form of verb. I will win. I, it's easy. सब्जेक्ट विल नॉट नेगेटिव, इसका नेगेटिव आपको बनाना है. आई विल नॉट कम, यू पुट द नॉट, जस्ट पुट नॉट एंड आई विल नॉट कम. ठीक. विल सब्जेक्ट वर्ब, विल जो है ना यहाँ बीच में है, अब विल यहाँ पहले आएगा. विल ही कम, यानी क्वेश्चन वो पूछ रहे हैं आपसे क्या वो आएगा. विल ही वेट फॉर मी. जस्ट easy way you understand the proper grammar if you have patience. If you have not patience, if you have study in one night, and if you have study in half day, you will definitely lose your score, because in half day, in 3 hours, I am not teach you, because it's the proper channel, not a waste of time of my as well as our subscriber, because this channel is made for something learning, not just a waste of time. So I will be teach you very carefully. If you have time, if you have hard work, if you doing hard work, so that will be beneficial for you as well as your family. So please be with me and subscribe our channel. Don't waste your time. Time is useful and you learn something new. So this is the all of today. Now we will meet you in tomorrow. We will meet you tomorrow with one of the tenses. I think present continuous tense. Do practice for simple future tense, simple past tense, simple present tense, and write down in the comment box how you feel that. And if you have any query, please write down in comment box. So today's lecture will be end. Today's lecture is now going to end, and nice to meet you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.